So welcome dear students once again. So last time we discussed about rotation and I have shared the screen. I have shown the video. In the same way today we are going to learn about the revolution. Now have a look on page number 18. Revolution. What does it mean? What we are going to discuss in this topic. So let's start now without wasting our time. On rotating on its tilted axis. Okay. I have shown you tilted axis. And see, it is tilted. It is tilted. It is not straight. It is tilted. The earth also revolves around the sun. Sun is also revolves around the sun on a fixed path. Okay, suppose this is the sun, then earth is revolves around it. Okay, earth is rotating. Okay, earth is rotating on its axis, and earth is also revolves around the sun. So, sun on a fixed path revolves around the fixed path. So, this fixed path is called the orbit. Underline orbit on page number 18 here. Underline here. What does it mean, orbit? Explain orbit. The fixed path, on the particular fixed path, the earth is revolve around the sun. It is called the orbit of the earth. Okay. Now next, the earth complete one revolution in 365 1/4 days. Underline also. 365 1/4 days. Here, underline. Underline. We have only 365 days on our calendar days. The 1/4 day of every year is added to make one extra day. This extra day is added every 4th year to month of February. Hence, February has 29 days every 4th year instead of 28 days. Okay? Every year it is not there. Okay, 1/4 day. So, after 4 years or 5 years, it will become 1 day. It will become 1 day. This year it was around 28 days in the month of February. But after few years, the 1/4 day it will become 1 day and make 29 days added that 1 day in the month of February. A year with 366 days is known as leap year. The year 2016 is a leap year. See here, underline the meaning of leap year. A year with 366 days is known as a leap year. Underline, what does it mean? Leap year, explain. Leap year, a year with 366 days. 366 days are there in a leap year. So a year which has 366 days is known as a leap year. For 1 mark, explanation of orbit. On a fixed path, the earth revolves around the sun. It is called the orbit, the fixed path. A leap year has 366 days. It is known as a leap year. Last year, it was in 2016. Okay. All the other planets of the solar system also move around the sun in their own orbits. Let me explain. I am going to share the screen so you will better understand now. Okay. on your screen right now. You can see it. Okay, I am going to show you. Fixed path of the earth. Fixed path of the earth. Okay. You know, this is the sun, dear students. The sun on this one is the orbit of the earth. On this fixed path, the earth revolves around the sun. Okay, fixed path, it is known as orbit, and it took 365.14 days, okay, to complete one revolution around the sun. Okay, it takes 360.25 days. So every fourth year, every fifth year will be a leap year. After 4 years, 25, 25, 25, and 25 multiply 4. Okay, so every fifth year will be the leap year. I am going to show the another pictures of the orbit of the earth, so you will better understand. See here, also the leap year. Orbit of the earth is here, revolves around the sun. Okay, revolves around the sun on a fixed path. So this is the fixed path. So on this fixed path, my dear students, the earth revolves around the sun. Okay, this is the fixed path. And earth is also rotates on its own axis. Here on your screen you can see it. Okay, so it took 365.14 days to complete one revolution around the sun. But every fourth or fifth years, 1/4 day is added, and it will become 366 days in a leap year. Okay, 366 days. A year which has 366 days is known as a leap year. Okay, one more explanation that I am going to give you, that I am going to share, so you will better understand the revolution. You can see here also the orbit of the earth, fixed path, rotation. Here, let us see, you can see it here. Now, okay, one more point it is there. All the other planets of the solar system also move around the sun. Other planets, total 8 planets are there. Okay, and all are revolves around the sun. The time taken to move around the sun varies, depends on the distance from the sun. Earth takes 366 days, 365.25 days. But this in the same way, Mercury, Mercury, Venus, Neptune, Pluto, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, the other planets, it is depend upon their distance to the sun. It matters the distance between sun and the other planets. Okay. So the moon it also revolves around the sun. It takes little more than 27 days to complete one revolution. Earth takes moon takes 27 days to complete one revolution around the sun. Okay, 27 days to complete one revolution around the sun. Underline. Nirmal beta, underline. Underline here. 27 days. The moon takes 27 days to complete one revolution. Now the exercise, small exercise, it is there. A year with blank days is called a leap year. A year is with blank days is called a leap year. And answer is 366 days are there in a leap year. In a leap year. Okay. Now one more point that we are going to discuss now, it is about the causes, the effect of the revolution. The revolution of the earth on a tilted axis around the sun causes the season. When one part of the earth faces the sun, the other part is away from the sun. The part of the earth that faces the sun experiences summer while the other part experiences winter. Let me explain with the help of screen sharing. Here, you can see it. The one part here. This part, dear students. This part is facing the sun here. Then here, this part facing the sun. Here, this part, the yellow part, it is that is the facing the sun. Okay. The other parts away from the experience winter. There are 4 main seasons underlined. Main 4 seasons: summer, winter, spring, and autumn. Here underlined. Main 4 seasons are here: autumn, spring, summer, winter, spring, and autumn. Here you have to do it underline. Okay. When the northern hemisphere experiences summer in June, I am going to explain. Okay, don't worry. When the northern hemisphere experiences summer in June, the southern hemisphere experiences winter at that time, and vice versa. See the diagram, it is here. Okay. Different season. The revolution causes, the effect of the revolution causes the different seasons. You can see. Spring, then winter, summer. Okay. You can see here on the screen different revolution of the earth. Okay, causes the different seasons. When is spring in the North Pole at the same time on 21st March. South Pole experiences winter. There is a winter in the North Pole. In the southern hemisphere, there will be a summer. Different seasons. Okay. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. You can also read the review here on your screen. Earth is constantly rotating and revolving. Earth rotation is its axis, causes day and night. A tilt and revolution around the sun causes seasons. Okay. One more picture. Different pictures that I am going to show. You can see it here. 21st March, different explanation given here on your screen about the different seasons: winter, autumn, spring, summer. Winter, autumn, spring and summer. I hope that you are getting what we are discussing. You can see it here. Rotation and the revolution, two movements of the earth that we have discussed. Rotation and the revolution. And after this one, I am going to show you some of the videos if possible, so you will better understand. Okay. I hope that you are getting what we are discussing right now. Okay. Thank you so much.